are Team Heightened Senses, an up-and-running social enterprise created by 4 students from the University of Hong Kong. Our mission is to provide sustainable employment for the visually impaired as professional Tui Na massage therapists and an eco-friendly pain management alternative for those suffering from long-term diseases. Our founding partners, Ryan and Lung, are well-equipped Chinese medicine students who are tasked with designing a further education program with Chinese medicine professors and sports therapists in order to train masseuses in a research-backed massage technique called Tui Na, also known as acupressure therapy. Heightened Senses has soft launched for 5 months to serve you at your workplace, sports field, or clinic. We provide chiropractic chairs, towels, equipment, and a passionate coordinator to facilitate communications during our service. Unfortunately, due to the coronavirus, we have suspended our services to protect our employees and clients. Prior to suspension, we have served over 800 customers from 3 of our target demographics: corporate and hospitality clients, professional athletes, and those in need. Corporate clients are able to improve their employees' wellness and welfare at their workplace. Professional athletes are made available quality muscle relief and rehabilitation. And most importantly, we are committed to relieve chronic pain disorder prevalent among breast cancer and geriatric patients. Whenever the corporate professional athletes purchase 3 massage sessions, we provide 1 free session for those in need for our acupressure therapy. We have currently partnered with WeWork, New World Development Hong Kong, and over 2 national athletic teams. We are also discussing with Bupa Insurance for long-term partnership. We have identified market opportunity in Hong Kong as one of the most densely populated cities in the world. Our healthcare is facing unprecedented pressure. Like many other countries, our aging population gave rise to health problems such as chronic pain and cancer. 600,000 people are currently suffering from chronic pain disorder but have to wait in line for the overloaded public healthcare system. My mother was diagnosed with breast cancer. Her rehabilitation from a mastectomy inspired me to promote Tui Na, an acupressure therapy which helped her battle with a debilitating frozen shoulder condition. By promoting healthcare and wellness from your workplace in our local community, we can ease the tremendous pressure on the healthcare system together. Our masseuses are gifted with a heightened sense of touch from braille reading, and we believe that the disadvantaged visually impaired community is the perfect candidate to take on this commitment. According to Mr. Zhang Chenyao, the chairman of the Hong Kong Blind Union, who has provided us with significant endorsement, unemployment and the lack of continuing education has limited the wage level for the visually impaired people for decades. Since the 1990s, the average hourly rate for the visually impaired has not increased from $12. Heightened Senses is providing $15 to $20 to account for specialized training they will receive through us, compared to the statutory minimum wage of $5 in Hong Kong. Furthermore, Heightened Senses is committed to preserving wildlife and the environment in China. Traditional Chinese medicine includes a wide variety of practices from massage to prescription medicine. The recent coronavirus pandemic has clearly sounded the alarm for the negative impact of wildlife and animal harvesting in China. In fact, 85% of surveyed subjects in a study of University of Hong Kong agree that it is time to phase out the use of endangered animals and plants in TCM. We believe it is time to promote sustainable alternatives such as Tui Na therapy.
Now, this shows our current pricing for packages so they can be tailor-made for the scale of your workplace and sports team. In Heightened Senses, we are committed to promoting social integration in our marketing direction. First, we plan on using sports events as social inclusion and marketing initiatives. For example, we started an initiative to pair visually impaired athletes with corporate partners to participate in the Spartan race. Other than helping our employees extend their social circles, it also demonstrates to the public how capable these visually impaired are, facilitating their integration and eliminating the prejudice that they face while creating more exposure for our company. Secondly, we promote corporate social responsibility. Aside from serving the local communities ourselves, we require an alliance of socially aware organizations to maximize our impact. We also utilize social media and participation in community service to gain exposure. Onto strengths. Heightened Senses is highly cost-efficient compared to NGOs that waste investments on administration and infrastructure. With every transaction, we are improving human health and well-being. Secondly, no sunk cost. Third, we don't have additional expenses other than the masseuse's wages, making our expenses low and steady. Finally, we attract ESG-oriented investments. We saw a steady increase in income and steady expenses for the past few months. On the right, you can see that our accounting ratios are within healthy margin. As Heightened Senses grow financially, we're also growing in terms of our impact on the planet. In 10 years, we estimate that more than 1 million people's lives will be improved, either through acupressure therapy or empowerment. As a social enterprise, we understand that our mission is to expand and impact, be self-sustaining, and to advocate for our cause. First, we're expanding the corporate line by establishing long-term partners and licensing our course to hospitality businesses to provide relaxing massages. Second, expanding the service line by establishing inpatient facilities in collaboration with HKU and Hong Kong Jockey Club. Finally, we plan to accredit our course so that our masseuses will receive credit and recognition for their hard work. Our team consists of 4 core members, aside from Long and Ryan, who are instrumental to creating our service. Morris, who is studying law, oversees our business development, and me, as a business student, will lead the marketing effort. So, please take your hand to create a better future for our planet.
Thank you very much for listening, and I look forward to your questions.